So kubuga karibu sana na inde ime yetwani ya getembe kerori na nche Matilda Obegwa na mageni wetu obweri tukoria rero oyore makubamba ninche komoreta agotebi inaki akor nande ininki agokora tonyore ase chinse mochiri cha Facebook puna getembe FM ase tore AMSM gose live eri onyare gusangana intone namba yetu ya studio 07 26447367 rikari uko onyare gukwana na into eri tunyare gusanga igoro ya mangana yebyegwa byabasaye aiga ase riroba rya gusi ase obwango mono na mwariganiri omugeni oito we studio oyu mumanyete ase eri taririria eri obusani korende kerara aresoke no chokomanya naki akorukwa na ndiningi agokora. Karibu sana.
Thank you.
Karibu sana mwa studio.
Mbio mwana sana na kiyo mwancho muligiri andonsia sole oyo gakorokwa makubamba roba kiekyo ose ase mwalitali yekivande yangere ne serikali nongere na abayibole nkorokwa Robert Masiga ugonde musinto bora ngibongera korwa county ya Kisii Bonchari Onyando Kenyoro koroknya bare. I think yinere inoda ne isaine wekera.
Robert Masiga.
Yes. Orangi is my dad.
Orangi.
Yes.
Masiga ne ritaria ke usti.
Ritaria mo Kenya. Masiga ne ritaria mo Kenya. Yeah.
Nturiko uligereria gesako.
Ase gesako na kero kuligereria wono elio muibole ina liligo ntambulisha negesa poke mugusi lakini ya maleta yano sina ya kumbeka ase eramani yenzi. Yes.
Karibu sana imeyo muroberega gwetwane ya getembe ono oratotebinga teyo mwancho boligera ninki ogokora aebuna roba makubamba
ebintu ngokora nebingi apart from abange ko bamanyida ko bomoteli katika kwa moteli ngokora ndibintu binde binge makubamba roba no mulemi ana muno mulemi gwe Messi tali Yesu kali Messi yokulia mwe se Messi gere category ya fruits tinda mwenyewe yange Messi kira kirende gondo mulemi Messi number 2 jeno morokia ase polytechnic ya Kisii National Poly. I think apart from that a son, a father, a brother. I think.
That's all.
Yes.
Whatever ore omorokia omaitekero kurigeria anene mona abasani na boigo nechi mingo nyorore nga kero kende tari abange baguchibanyara korengane naki oikeretabo
koru kingo kina no muntu nganjite kisemi sana no muntu nganjite kisemi and tinga kende kerekera bwechisemi tinga kende kera nyara ko bwechisemi so ni somete na ninga saina wa somate nda itigotigera nchira ninga nitinje ko wa mimi kuroro ngoro wa si the first professor ni yoro model na ande so ninga saina wa somo na apart from that ninga nitinga apart from muziki yongo kora na knowledge limbo atanyara ko disseminate kucha saba oroki wo bali nkoroki
Obuya sana onye koreo morokia igo abasani bonsi no volente kubakwanira kero montaño ari kya gukora singing music na bego tena kero kendi go
I am a believer igonde ombwa tukwege no konesana ngakira gotuko iburu yani gotuko kubugo kimambi nabone gogende nyagitari ende yonsi bonega nabo ende yonsi bwate maternity nabo konyo ngabana mbale bwiburu tukubwa lero abana bako iburu bange bako iburu bwate byego wa asaba bumbaro bagocha ko babanyagitari mbale bagocha ko abandi mbale bagocha ko abateri usaba abanyangera abakongo so kera litukubugo no gokia mbaro abateri bechinguru bayiboirwe bagocha ko turusia hase tole so ndurocha ko bera ega permanently that's why mundu wanda ko tuara egento kende ntenenera just in case ko karakere yatokange yenteki ngaonkero roko
na bogo tuare ebyo gwo wetania kemo ogotera gukotera
no I don't tarigotera guoka nibwate bia ngea
buno musani mbintu kibindo rakore turatigana mangana HCM bono.
Let me say I'm a great supporter of umupira. I used to play ngachanka bune kangatiga onega nimbwate ganga yo support. I have a team, home team go support. Nka ye kenyoro tukona kora usento nyara okonya na basaina baraba nyara kuimuka egere ba identify bya go byabo. Number 2 go support the team ya nkaya gusi yero bali gusi, and then finally kerogo soka iskoyense nchimo mutitire we team ya Arsenal. Yere number ibera seboni gase table, and we are pressing on. Kemwele about kegombwate I used to be the best actor. Na we award the best actor. Nyanza province.
Okwega.
Okora kitiboso chokwega. And so apart from that, nimbwate that passion yo okora I'm a life skills coach. So even to be me, and just become natural.
Ngakiwa igete okamanyanga no ibintu mbiro uranyare gukora ibintu byose. At what point?
Okotera korako, I think only waiting na that talent, because they get in the family. And then about life skills coaching, who are you working with ngo taranere mazingira kiwenyore tore. And so I used to work in kwa Youth for Christ. Youth for Christ kere interdenominational. Started back in the year 2008, and main goal ya renge kogenda chiskuru, colleges, high schools okwanera wanafunzi, because normally onyo kusari kuande na rebo kuchakara ni chiskuru. School no mwana go chali ya gorto mugati akorere shopping kwanya mabegete nyansore katikati yo mugati. School no konyora ngo mwana utawona takocha nesi meskuru ochire nesi lakini njiraye gachitana konso eskuru no pia pressure go chakera kwanyora ngo mwana urwete nkore ngwe kanisa ochiro yegeri kuchitabi chitari ndonge na abana bagenda na barokegere eskuru abana mbare bacheto specifically uchigo kobotia abande ko beke ese chisabu ne kitabu. So we used to go to schools ko kwanera abanafunzi egera banyara gotwara chimbu chingia and more so about their sexuality. So kwa bunka nyoranga kumbe, apart from chego trade wasome gunanje kuemanya, I can also disseminate the same information which is asaba na wande.
Pia sana. Ogotero ko tebanya saino mia. Matera go na inaki.
Style ya no music is a bit different. Abandi mbali bako muchuka ne meno but remain usiko yetegera. Ile bwate eburuka ine ko muchuka ne meno, and it is styled up or just no neke golie ke keranyara gotegerera. So style ya new music eko kwa neo cultural. Neo cultural meaning what the fusion ya the cultural songs cheto and the new version ya urban. And so also kobanga gotegerera matera ana mangena yo wasemia ti ndiko kora gotera ko bayo gokora gotera.
Ko yategerera handi.
Wika gotera ko gotware. Gotware kisemigete. Ukagotwara mangana geta yengencho aranyara goseme umuntu gotegerera. Na tikoli gotera kore kubwate timelines. Gotera ne mangita bwate timelines. Igare timeless in that abo gotegera abo umuntu agotegera bonega na ande miaka 10 umuntu bado gotera kuna umuntu ago chako gotegera. Azwa to konyora ngo koro gotera iguru Yesu ukugera Yesu ukugo chali mu mwaka. You know, it's a combination of ideas, and we ensure that the information we're giving out, because number one, tutagiteko semia wanto, tutaraba ko kento kwenta ko basemi. So we do it for edutainment. Yeah.
Ono no ko nyaro ko identify abantu bari your big fans anene moneke gori geke.
Na bange. I can't mention names. Na bange because ani igonganjira across the board. Baba bagaka baba abana, you know, there's nothing kentokeo kerigyo kokokemono muneke rogo tarike nyoro. And as a kuwagenda tangani, and people are able to identify with you. yani umuntu nabaho kora yote bangu umuntu ngete it feels so nice kuze kwaita ota ngwaka ngende kuze ngocha konyora kwa ngokotera kwa huko bugaze kite kwa nyoranga na kwa abantu bagotengera at times ngocha ndena feel adrenaline yakero mubere kiagera negintu gyoko kemono nkoro kire nga people supporting me across the board and that's why most like role usekero okora kendigons na monekero kwa so irebo in this limelight story ekobete linga kwa chimbu chao cyo chindo ngikiagera turi kumanya so gutara mu kuligereti yes
Nagio konyara ko maintain iri tari agoribe na korema kubamba abantu bamaite no rio gotera wesigete ebintu bune
challenges nchiro sana and at one point we go tuare a very high degree self control in many areas of life tetokanga ego ndo nimbwate na ro segirieta yama gotoka se ebinyuwa bire no onkonyo carelessly
tori konyo
I've never tested alcohol kuna ibolet na yani na ande nanya with a man because I feel because wese kondile konyo konyo kore sengo perform the hype mbwate omanya ko yemenda na mali yo gutinde then yobono mo itana basokere
uko basokere
I'll never test na test manyi tena kiako test telling ngambo be asa abantu bakonyo but really what I'm saying is to maintain a good public image even tombire bingena ngitangete na birobyo egere tekera nga inche nkoko semia na ndi tokenga ninche keri nkoko semia tindiko gekora yes
ntubwate abasaya bake ose abana bake bagukina bono ekero kwenyorira ase abana bake nakyo kunyara wa identify nga umwana oyo nabagokoraki nchira kyo kubakonya
chinchera nechinge this one kwa mbole ndire bit challenging because now what every kana chaka ukona nche mumuntu ngegene sana asokora nyora chiseme apart from mangana CBC watcher I've got so many approaches for say young generation mwana we kwa wate nje wana mfilete na imbote talent ande karoko mutegera na wate talent tatika bona karoko nyoro mwana yako ati wate talent abande kwa wate batige school kwa sababu ngana talent wasemi bwana ubona nentarachi ko konya ngutakande nga kwanza orala minyoki
SM na mbeya mo
asenche no nyenche I had to be done with school P otera kwa na utanga na ko after na ko reform 4 no ko take it form 4 holiday lakini kairana ngakora kusoma kana kora kusoma then ngatiga mangana ya otera ngaso university konde university I think the only time ko tamo otera serious na kero nkorete university ane anthem after that I went to University of Eldoret. Kerana ya kwa anthem nga kirapi because my first production was in 2007. Kwa 2007 nga kirapi nga kore university in 2013 kerana kora I had to go through a period of incubation kori osoma nganki muziki ule osoma nganki geta keire nkikebole ta aso muziki yoga nkikebole te asaba saeba baitu bagusiye ba koro muziki. So that after that, one can go to into commercial music because naro okoro muziki ngano okora bosaigo tamanyeti end game ya ininki then you go selete. So by the time go to into commercial music na amanyire ngankinda kire okora ngento kikereke ngimwenta okora kikereke bembwenta gutiga and with that igacha konyoranga in 2019 now na sokere fully into music. Aseke golege kwa mbuli gole ngakitoko nyara kubasegeta number 1 you can't do music without knowledge. You can't do music without chairman because instead one of which I can go to tell you that you went to Taraba is case kanga you went to Okoraki that will be the only knowledge or have a call na bimu to we call you but the moment you open your own to chite kirasi akeno so meta can call konya rogo differentiate konya rogo identify many voices chire community oranyara ko tell about osemia bantu so so really we're trying that, and then number 2 we really trying to see Osentunya will come up with a talent nurturing academy. It's a long-term plan. Again, to long term. so that after or maybe umuntu akore usene skuru atakere wono kongeko wanachada so mwana yo gusani gotera guse okoro chikosori chyokwege yatokanga there is a proper way yokona chabana waga wachiko kuwa achieve byego byabo in the right direction.
Ntobwate family na boigo na abana okonyora abana mbale babwate byego enaki okubalance umwana gokina na the role ye family amate uchase gokine ke wake umwana
asenche. Let me use an example yo mwako minto. Mwako minto identified ngana bwate kego at a very early age. Kondekera asinye. Before that kondekera asi sato na wetenjira geto nka mwanga bono nkuru skuru na genda nacho kotere kwa kanisa. You know, every
evening.
Day, every evening. Then mwako mindala cha kankaranse tuko geto wante binga yoko ajete kankanyoranga no hale mapema. Tuwate chimboriga ngombe ngochoko konyoreka na stake kenindo kerongerege kugusige ko kenindo. Not many young generation na bayemanye
bakemanye
sto komboli na yuko komate yaya na agende skuru na charanchi na agende kani
na agende kwaya
akankaransi agantebi ndebyo kubyenso whatever nebye tatiganta ke tochore ogende skuru wirane utwale chinga kinimbuli nigetawo ose obe goko gende kanisa wirane utwale chinga kinimbuli ne buku.
Okorisia was constant.
Yes, Okorisia was constant. I had to make a choice. I didn't know ngana matemo ngeta masini but I thank God ngana iteta matemo nkamotebi yonko gende skuru na irana na ali simbuli okotera ngocho okaraki
gocha bosia.
That was in class 3. Class 4 guessing you mza kolete before even class 4 atima iga kanisana kachiro na daily yani on a weekly basis every Sunday anaonde kanisa ngachankanyoranga after na kolete that decision yo watebanga ni skuru ngochia na itamdia renge na aitere akangachiranga so ikoya bado nikiwa class 3 so every weekend na ngachira one yako kwende wiki gatiteyo afterwards kongo so class 4. That is the first time I interacted in my case studio. He is the one on I realize you sing so well in the choir. Now there is a friend of mine of what a choir which could record na another guitar and the Varanyara Komokonya Water. Choir get St. Joseph Nyamukeni. So he allowed me to go to studio at that first time. So Akangala was so studio at that time. It means he already identified a talent only that he wanted kwanza that sense ngaki so monere ya maana. And then when he realized na so ile line ile atakete then he allowed me now okaenda ko record na St. Joseph's Nyamukenya in class 4. Then again I went back to school kagendera na so mukimaite na kio mwe support yari because again I was a performer in school. And many parents wone gambale bakuriye le mwana bwate kegwa instead yoga kana sio mwana uko mukwanira bamanyenge kegwe keneki yae but timing ya ine njiro kenacha na kiere mwibuli wa mwanga wono nese yako chaka no mwana. For my dad the way I challenged it and then later on he allowed me even at that early age it shows him I had passion yoko natural talent and it's the same challenge kwa we one this kama kikocho mwana na watekego to wasa wancha aminyoke side yake kegwa yoka karara musuguma ne side yesemi then kokoranga nkubwatale wana naboko nyara ku balance kati byonse bibere so that omwana otaika aegeme side yemo ebe side yende. Yes.
Na boy gonto bwate religion amangana ye kanisa kwa yato ire sana kanisa ne bwate ribagase gukine kewa.
Yes, very much. By the way, as ndatebe worldwide abateri abange abanene bengecho abateri abanga abanene bengecho iko baru baitero toko boko kanisa. I used to sing in choir. I still given an opportunity I still do. But rende what I can say kanisa no atari kanisa yoka no nabantu bakonde misikiti nebuate riva gari nene sana aso konacha ekebwa kia bana because I know when in Sunday school bari bacho abali bakwenda Sunday school so bakwenda Sabbath school that's where konyora amangana yo mutu Bible verses no chikurwira gali umwana konyora nkwegera nkotema commemorize konyora gotera konyora abana bari bakonyora gotera alia ba train and all that as in choir so konyora ngana na mali ugia mangama go train bari bayanganyira so the religion has and plays a very big role as a kegwa kyumwana.
Mbuya sana na boigo ningi gekogera obwanchi tenga otete gwata chebinto byago na culture igekoroke mugusi.
At one point I used to do otera nkona taka to chakera kero to chako korendera kimia to kanga bado the hiccups. I've always been a gospel artist and I still count myself as a gospel artist. I have always been. Yani butambo bugimabwana wenzi. Egondo muteri wenjiri. I know this is something I want down the water mind.
Yes.
But at some point, if I now got a banana so in the group incubation period. And the Bengal Koya Vikira Magena, etagete ea umamere, emanya goturage. So in Gakinera Pumamera after Korea University. Ngakia ne Pumamera Magena, no was so Mama Yang Kiborete as a community to Mumusi. And apart from that, I say in Kenya. I realized that muziki usi indigenous gusi music kwenye asili. To konyara kumanya matera ito yo corona kialengi. To konyara kumanya miakere moto because again there was a study according na ekoroking by 2050 gusi will be extinct. And as a way of thinking ahead, I felt nga nimbona takoba a bank. Ya knowledge yomo usi. Bank ya knowledge yomo usi in which way wetera matera ya gatokolika. That's why we supported keenly ngo chande na aburukania some matera and as much as some of them have original composition ngo chande na tema kuburukania chingero chiri chomo usi chiakale. Chibwate deeper meaning so that abana bawo chakukina abana baito gosa abana baito bache konyoranga mbali ko lose touch na culture. And to spice it up, abantu babwata abana bonega say CBC. I think I'm the only artist in Kenya oyora matera ya gotumeka abana basomiwo. So koli yele tabu geko Spotlight music. And get music Spotlight grade 6. Otera kwa na okora page 22 or 23. Abana ko basoma, but it means I'm contributing positively.
Songo say
no, kodi gireke gusi. Ukama go translate uchige songo. The main thing we are contributing positively, which is knowledge say to Kenya. Egere, as much as we just doing music, we're not just doing music we also adding into the knowledge bank. Egera abana baitu banyara bosembo bamanyenki inki korogeto inki culture yo mugusi yabate. Yes.
Egekoreke tari ogoki na goke manyete. Ekerote itekorikana nyogotera. Who do you reach out to?
I consult widely. Abakambare ncheno maleka no menena abakakango takande sana ko kusanga na waro. And these people you don't tell them ngawana nita getonte begin to get. By just sitting and listening to what they are saying, we karanza kolie na goteke ranki bago bwana enjera bago sanga chinga manganabo. You learn a word by word. That's when you ask Naki. And about people are very, very soulful, ascend as a and by the way, just to mention, Mwakanaro Director of Culture in the county government of Kisii, Nyambani contributed a percentage in my music because initially nagatera matero injili na patriotic songs, and I felt like they can go change neo-cultural music. We can now go toward someone that can be like a mentor. So Nyambani contributed a great deal. Ongo chakera, and then later on ne obino na agere ten kanya komanya na abantu bandi because the moment was so field get abantu mbara konya very knowledgeable in that field. So in the same church na gachire mu evangelist na ro korikirwe maoto bado nerebona kana mugaka ne igare council of elders fusigaiga and then there is one igana ro ko Nyambasura. So there are a number of people apart from mugaka community because wa community igera automatic muziki to yongo soki atara tegera ante bimu gase gwatera tebia igambi yere gendo chinchiga, you know. So all these things I have to consult widely. Then apart from that, I have a team of people who are tegera materana before watera gosoke. It goes through a process.
We confirm.
Nande telling abali banga njitegoka. I at times na bonko genda ngonya na genda event yase na abeka ndore na key reception yo
reactions
wako konyora ngale ya people wako get into the inbox wako tebi katara kulia sa mbi ya kwale lakini gento gete kana gendo chinche mangana gete watera tali maronge gendo kareki so that by the time now we get into official release yo watera kwanyora ngwa sokire kubwa to mungusu na kubwa to uwanje kuchesa abantu
unlike abantu bande babwateke wa neno mono nekikyo watera abange bakobisa ninki ora bate ya bakobisa konyora ngogotera ukogosoka rioka guserinde wasokera ne video turi kumayana iki umuntu kirare gotera
timaiti maybe kero umuntu nabwate style ya yo wasokia but for me what I can say is ninganjite sana kora ali kora abantu think of what you're about to do oigo bora mna bona ga watu working a video to ndo ko wako not an official video but an unofficial video before to official video yogotera gukora kwetengo we are doing ogotera to attempt kubwata watokasa abantu just ko test torana ngaki bako ko receive
sengo witaba bari
so for me I feel nga nerebiya onye to kunyara kuna kunia abantu baibwe then ligie team y'abantu bari barawe worst critics ani abantu baranyare ko mbari gotegerera gotero kumna basani bako gotegerera bunabo bisaba kero bako gotegerera gotero kumna bisabao then nabo bakunyara kurusiri goso lieke ene litali bana bagotebiga njira kwa begete teri ndonge or another person that nachite comment in my team bono at least take rongo kora because we record nerese studio yemo and is one guy I respect Konde. I think Konde form 1 na liare form 4 no motelio monene sana ere is gone to international platforms with hotel rechikwende chinde chinyinge. He's been to Germany, he's been to Great Britain, no muntu tarense akorokora tai
arati
yes
okobugyo bukana
he also acts as a bank of information yomusi so I also he's one person I look up to kerongo kama tera times ngomo tegerande sana because nabwate ubumanyibweke busi bonde bolibo nere taliere nere nabwata abantu akorigeri up to you know so that collectively go to ko ebitebega yatukanga ngo semitoro musi kebwamu
tutarenda se break amangana criticism kero kende ngotero gotera kwanyoranga abantu mbere bagukurwane kabisa na kiyogo chako irere bintebe
ndomanyete moteto iyo okana nare okina asana alikuwa karule skuru mapema kwa sababu kwa lunch toka mnyokire kerundo sana iroke season ya mapera kwa sababu rangu toka mnyokire kerundegere oike goika utare kanka ngoiteroro muchigete somanyete nga mapera umuntu asumegeta mapera anjira iga mwara utemene ngo sama embe utemene ngo reri kobu kwanyoranga gyagura ngana soro gwachora kwa karaki kwa linjira kogenda same thing happens with kerobwate kego obenga tubwati bantu bako kutamagena then it means you're doing nothing you're doing nothing yani muntu ndebwenzi obenga asige ntukiriyo gukora abantu mboyo bako kutamagena then kende kiyogo osoko nyaranga kire gento gukora abantu bagwita bangaye bumbi yale then chaka kubulia mabori naki nkiki yabara bagwita bakire gento but the moment yoko nyanga no bwate criticism no what abantu bakwana negative about you abantu mali bakamagana then be very sure ngokorore gento getekia mwana batali ko nyara gukora yes
ninki kigereterio giri agorire so umuntu bunakori igwa abakumanyanga umugusi yoyo atere togotera gwe eriyo giri yawo what is unique about your food
I think identity is all that determines nimkiore. So for me, I think Nyasaye nansi anything very here. And apart from that, I had to come up with a signature tune. Go say ngakinda napenda kanga signature tune. So in most of my songs nko wole ekeroko go chaka go ndo nkiekyo. So when you hear nkiekyo, definitely ne tambulishia smuri ngakia ya one ninch. And nkiekyo is just Wanda tanga neri board or watch in every as a material non speak. Otaka kokotenga the seminary watch after that. Like toko boli sorry itabuati ichibu nyere ichibu mala. So normally werenga igomboate signature ne werenga neri boli ukieki. So in other words, the boli yani ichibu then rogo chikonya after that in every song. And I thank God that tindi gotera mna mundulete. Igomboatera mnaji.
Okay.
Asenalo cha kwanyoranga what a role model gete what a kotere mnere package rako intonation ya yenje rako bekama ngana what a kotere mnere. For me, I don't do that because again I believe in originality. Okay,
eke wange ganete practice.
Yes. Practice here, and the moment you sleep on it you forget. I used to play a guitar with your son. But I can't relax yake. Kerona relax, you forget some chords. So again, it needs practice. It needs a lot of practice. Otherwise, every time go back playback, you have to practice. You yes.
Twarikoira agenda se omutimuko bwechita gikaibere iri tumanya kwira na kurigire nande amangana mangi anene muno bona yakorekanira se amatuka bwangoiga ase amangana yaiga yebiegwa kurwa ase riro baria gusio mwancho murigireria inamba yaito ya studio 0726447367 yara kurike message go chaiga usionye kubwate ribori goro yebiegwa usamangana yogotera kubwate ribori bunerio gocha ase umagene oito bweri tukoria rero makubamba nabo riuko gocha ase nambe yunande nawe gokora ase tinse moja WhatsApp kwira natore nande ase omoroberio yega gendera gutigara ime ya etwani ya getembe nande ngocha tore
Chuo cha anuwai cha Rigathi Technical na Vocational College sasa kinawatangazia usajili wa mwezi Januari au January intake. Inatoa mafunzo katika vitengo kadhaa kama vile automotive engineering, electrical engineering power option ambapo unahitimu kwa viwango vya diploma au certificate. Katika electrical installation pia wana vitengo zaidi katika kosi hii. Mechanical engineering ambapo ufunzo wa production, wiring, fabrication na crafts na zingine nyingi. Hairdressing na beauty au ususi na utunzi wa nywele na ngozi, fashion and design. Ufunzo kuunda nguo za kisasa. Pia ujifunza embroidery, tie and dye, print, party and pattern drafting. Njoo ujifunze sasa. Applied science, scribble studies. Wako na kitengo cha kufunza ukulima ambapo wanafunzi wanajifunza ukulima na ufugaji. Kusajili au intake inaendelea. Katika kosi zote hizi una fursa ya kuhitimu na diploma au certificate certificate. Rirage Technical na Vocational College ipo Kigugi Marani, kilomita 1 tu kutoka barabara kuu kutoka Kisii kuelekea Miruka. Wakufunzi wana tajriba kuu, pia wamehitimu kulingana na sheria za Wizara ya Elimu na TVET. Malipo ya karo ni chini ya udhamini wa serikali kuu au government capitation. Pia unaweza pata mkopo wa serikali wa Higher Education Loans Board HALB. Wanabweni safi au hostel. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika tovuti yetu www.riragya.tbc.ac.ke. Riragya Technical Vocational College, umechelewa kujiunga nasi.
Na batebi namba asira kitorningisi ego to kansa mo chimu gembo nsa stage yechi bigi nsa ajonyo ko tate space pk na ne kabisa live and direct onyo ko tate ufa sisi mimbu eto ayege ntoko koraneke ogo chankoro kitobese ko bwanga ko kungaina tikankoro chitibi no chiriga etibi ruambara etibiri jambi ebetrio ko tumia nyomba kwa raza ko duniani ebetrio ko kerie gari yao majiji betri na raro fogo laki amaliko no ari ga kurgwe ga sikuka okutura tulichimeno kako bugima boko yiga mara moja kwa ragiri manyange chonzi neji ufa
Numbers Electronics boigomba bwate ebintu bina chispika ama nechi microphone, chi horn speaker, chi power mixer, chi keyboard, chi blender, chi basi na boigo chibirika chestima, chi water dispenser, chi radio au mpaka chiria chechigari, chi TV, chi type chonsi na boigo chi size chonsi. Amo na electronics bionse pibuna, chi wire, chi extension cables, nebintu binde ebinge akeroteri kweba, chi solar panels. Tarere imeyomo chibu gembo stage gorigoro, waseo kesimi asa 0729 646 385.
Aiga no numbers ba customer baito bons asimole na baliganiri kerege nto tobwate na netobwate bintu bichi quality chigoro chingia kabisa.
Chaso wenge na nyora kane tigaminyo ke nyomba.
Numbers Electronics aiga ntobwate kerege nto aserigori dio mubuko o.
Peak Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo aso muchando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkohwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwo bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogosereria obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imeyomo chokisi asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo lire igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Karibu sana na inde imeyo moroberio yoga ubwetwani ya getembe kero torene umugeni ito Makubamba na inde ase obwango mono toko gendera no moroberio nabo igoto gendera gusanga nere atumanye narari abwate na inde nakia aranyare ko tambukie kewa kya guchia sabandi Makubamba ntubwate bona abo gusiba chakire gochamo elio kubwaterana ne mono abo bagotera inki ora kwanere amanganayo
gente kitanganda nyara bateba iza obo mugwa bateri bagusine gento kia kingencho gento kingencho in which way ambeyemo ngo tokonyere mono kusange birengereri kusange birengereri in terms of amangana yo muziki yo tokokora in terms of amangana agokora kasoro kongoro ituru gusi. And then number 3 in terms of koerani goseko konya na konyo gosegeta ko koromukia etokenga goseni mboto moyo gasegete nabona we work so closely na bateri abanga bane bamanyire gusi torokonyo ngo muntu nabote moyega atari konyara wikera na gosabwa abwate miyaga ngebere tatolituko abokonyaranga gutwa ikaransi gito gusange birengerere twakonyana naye genda sigete tikanje genda sigete baadaye tumena ntona feedback ngakiyarenge iyo yego konye gente getangani usegetana no muntu utabwa tomukia okoromukia namba ibere kwanyoranga ngocha kobera naringe isikoli tukeli ntari koroskende ogosanga koliamo na kubona okotwara obomuntu bwanjani muna abateri bagusi konyorore ngabono oyo gwataga ntoiga ondomiri na inje na anyore konyora gwekonya na kokonya abantu bakoteke abantu bansemereti bantu bali bakonyora mbuguleti ya Marekani go. And then number yo mwerio it's about koena nibirengeri byeito kegera umusani nekerore kie community kio cha jamii kilia kegendreta se community nindu tokonyara ko amplify sika ida tokebeke boronge njira kere ose onyorenga tutakebege tiboronge twanyara ko onyora twasirire abantu so ngota kiritore tonyara koba kio cha jamii na best way ngakiri kegendreta tonyara ida gosegeta abantu bagenda kokora biye gosego kurira abantu nginde kenekebe tugitiga
abasani bagusimba bwataine kubori
asenche kan sayinga bwataine abatari bons mete toko no nyane serikali no endirikero mutago tera iyo dona nekero ngaki kibaki arago soborai ndo bwate a movement ya nak ya bugoleti almost kero mundo kenyengema lakini bara that time ndo bwato mundo rengeisku bantu gete bakemba rengeisku kanunja rengeisku nya china rengeisku you know so talinga kichonsi oranyora ngabono moche munguseramu weketo kenga bantu gete bakembali bali isku lakini ase obomubwa basani bagusi I can say ngantole na mono the urban artists ngomo turi kumuseramu
nawo batigaritenje
tengo kwandra bands na bantu bandi lakini ase urban artist ngomo turi kumuseramu because eshidambwate nabakonywanga nero musani getabwate ese gotokanga promoter nere ya chakire go twakana bube ko seta gete goturiana ni erikondiana ni jebeka wekeriana ni mundo gete so konyore ngato gotaka bosange birengere nda bakabakora corporate gete gas ngaki akwa so nkomutero ko ba tingota ngantura mu amara lakini nkomutero ko ba
ndaba batigerita bakonyoranga muri kubwatana kigima nchira kiroche baranyare kubeko erinde konyoranga nyina basani bagusi banyarira gutarire nchirere AM
muna bono getembene kionga tari ekionga gemeneti go kubugolia kero muntu bando bame bikionga ne kurende na winge eneti ri kurunyanja kero ochikuruba yabugoli chinsu yabugoli amagaga yabugoli amakoromenyo yabugoli you know so mbabone tekoligeria na baro baso ekionga and very soon we're going to have one big meeting and then sana yo discuss igoro yobo mu tell you see because koruma ya watu wale toko tumeka senjererembe na mwana sawa na siasa kwanyora ngo mwana siasa na bako kutumeka kwa mukora matero kwa kora kimuna njena tumeka wowe lakini final yake rege kile ngabono gochimutua no takira ko konyeka to gukora ki to gukonyeka kwa kwa banga watu metu koraba stamp because again asichinze chinyinge mu America the moment yo motel ya so ase cambio muntu gete is an endorsement enene sana chese campaign yo muntu so these are things we're going to sit to kwanere ere November liba gutigara maga tonyara koranga njira ne turanyara ko bareta amu tochamo so that no nekero omuntu akone negotiate deal konyoranga ko negotiate ari gintu kiamana tingika oseno moyega na ikansa bashiri deal for msini alafu umuntu ndaicha sabe chiri buisana ama yego ikatuma tume kabisa by the time uko saba chibestia uko korega shi umuntu makubuli ngabona ingaski wakore nene ko boy wetiringa bakama towe you understand so at one point we need to ndogwenda go twara level line azikuranya rero karanza kokwana mna batel bagusi na kubwana na ngangi twende kokora egera twebeke enchinchira chikomedi chindechire the other day I was watching awards chiaba Kalenjin and I admired what I saw ngayani ba chire amo ba twari positive competition yekire chi award chiabekiru abara ibenze yoko babanchire nk'abantu abegasi bakora ningiye ngira bagotosemi babekaniramo these awards are being held and then baba provided yani none nchira entrance y'abateri barriere ige yani ige egwate changamoto ku cha student ekere chi award chikoruwe wanga nambe ya moga kwa gutari just ege kombe mna tucha tuwe gusiga kwa wa trophy ga gosana ge chiri busano kero kwa ile trophy iri kwagendanga. But you told your fans bagake kura bakutumeka chibesa ekura ya mumibi ya industry ndikomi kwa makanyanga no akire chikura goetani 1030 uzel for msimi lakini at the end of the day kwa nyoranga gochita na gakombe goka so what I saw from our friends kurwase kwendo nyamato mwinaya barobwe kero muntako winige kombe gara kwa guna enusu million umuntu mu wade tinamba ibero yago 1300 ngomuntu betiro muntu okoro mukinga kai igo okotero kundo china boko koraki kubwa nte yabantu iskanga bone kodi yo kumakire kura nene lakini at the end of the day kende nkeyo kegocha na gekombe kiri
pero que to abasigisi goska bosio bono ekero kurigere ya gusia iganto bwate ento twara okubwatana buna bono ndo bwate kiga gekurukwa kusi urban festival ya berike okore mega okorora kwa gonguruki ngakiroche sofa ya korekanira se chintunda isatu wikabono ningi kwanyare ko observe
asenche I can say this really expected rakirende. Thank you for the question. Gusia Urban Fest na ya korekera gatatu whatever and I think na batikire otoka si chintunda chonsi sato and in each season nko nyorore asenche ya beirengia in that nkumera nande na mashabiki yana from every area itoko genda Nambeyamo, it's a very good platform, a very big idea. And the idea, I think, whose time has come. The idea, ego pick the best artists from community umugusi. Kuba umera ni na mashabiki yabo iska. At the start, njara kanta ko banga nege ntokera nyale ko koreto bomu bolibo bwa televisions ba gusi. Egere to nyale ko reach out ko chikere chingongo Jones chiense aso mugusi yari. But gocho mweli ya kanenga nkomo chire gusiriyo borosake.
No muchando ningi.
And asenja according to me ntonda tebetali ngano gusiriyo boroso pase mono. Kegara tingo tanga ya siriyo mono. Ne no nyumba chinkwana ngo chiri cyamo cyo kubacyanake. Lakini muise ko duele so kubacana ko limoga endraliyo ka muko nyako limimo royi. Muise ko lige lingang eganga yogo chakie gente ke ninki kiarenge. Ono tutigeri yogi toirana to chake bukwana bya. You know. So tuise ko tebanga to chake toirane to ikaranza to chake bukwana bya. No to ko lige lingaya. Onyo gona bware ngo boroso bwito. Giye ko to ko gande enchera oboroso botarenge. So for the founders ba gaf asenche na nyara gote banga ne kerenge kia Elon Neymar na Duke Mainga Gaichate, and then with the team Baba Mukaya who are in the board. Nekerengeli kia rengekia. Wase mekuwa na uo kankolinga. Now let's differentiate between GAF no moteri. GAF ebene na abantu wako organize event ikiga cha GAF. Omoteri orangeli one board ocha hotereria amashabiki. Lakini tetoka ngayo moteri and nayo muino orangelia bateri nayo moteri nayo wakana bateri. Understand?
Yes. Kware gutuka bono nubwate kiombe buneke gusoku bwatana muno koiga nayo ro moteneneri gusa nayo korwa ideas each inki kware gutema wa avoid irinda magoso buna ese ngicho kurigereria abantu baumanire sana amagoso buna eta busa gukoreka
namba yamo GAF 1 na GAF 2 abateri bonse bare ngoro mbasa ineti agreement endons ugo tuware ko ndoro na gentleman's agreement.
No legal documents?
No legal document. GAF 1 and 2. GAF 3, there were legal documents.
Okay.
But these legal documents were not followed to the letter. The one. The legal documents, you'll allow me read. Because speculation chile siko gachi nyinge, iko chiko mochigo itomoyo and talibuya. So here we go. I'll only read on the remuneration. In consideration of the artist's engagement, the promoter undertakes to remunerate the artist in accordance with Schedule B of this agreement, which remuneration shall be as follows. Number 1, 50% deposit payable upon signature hereof. The promoter must sign the agreement within 7 days of the receipt of the agreement to ensure that the artist is secured to perform at the event stipulated herein. Number 2, the deposit must therefore be paid within 7 calendar day period. Number 3, 50% balance. I don't know me 50% balance payable on arrival of the artist at the venue, but before performance.
Igo by the time umuntu ao perform atakuwa amelipwa pesa yake yote.
Before performance.
Anyway, tutigera abo ekero kurigereria bono ukubwata na buno kuiga ntubwate abasania bake.
So nkwambo liri swali what I'd do different.
Yes.
Number 1, if I have an agreement with an artist, I have to fulfill that agreement because by the time ko bangomo yela oikirele pogete nimbwate the sponsor kusichibe santenenira chukura kana a service provider manya konga kubwata ni nawanda wande bakoraki bare gukora bare kubwati yani bare ko provide services ko chasende kuse bare kuna chikitigiti number 1. Number 2, onye ninche mno moteli na bwa tomoyo I will ensure nimbwate board ekoran umoyega talinche a board answer bogo chasende so that mwenye liswali liko chikuboligwa liswali yaboligwa board yaboli bomu wakili bwe body tali individual because bono again tekenkia mochikora kananga iko tuwa ko wandie chate I never wanted to participate in that in the discussions here at online paka karana nyoretenga tuikira bono to korama na ntua bateli. For me, I felt nga tekenkia, and if you saw my post online I gave a 5-point advice etaringe biased in any way. That was very factual linga ntoko neteko ngya kwanekera obogetira ndabo itasa abantu ska kuligereri instead tikatobwa tinki agreement yako teba toyekorera. Number 2, tonyorenga apart from ntoko cha hotel ya abantu ga tikarita ko bachindu gwekera at 1 point ngokora torega asiana so yara ko baninche ngentege tanga nimbwati agreement nere. Number 2, ngensho nge board nero ko manage event bigabion spi jengi cho rogotera no hotel just that.
Ya sana lakini tubwati wewe bondo wensi na mondo wale. Mbia sana na ndibona apart from mogotera ime yagusi ebia wambire bingi twarorira abantu bagutumia social media platforms gukora mangana mange tubwati ci TikTok nini abantu bakumenyoka aba barabunga ki ukorigereri kwago bono ngaki bare ase bono nonye serikali ne babwatirete ye county osomo gusi
again tora tebe ase Kenya kiwango turatenga bone serikali ni tuwete. The other day I listened to a president that ntu bone gantu kwento gutwara injira omoteri ko watere te tokange promoter naira kulichiwe cheo chinyinge akwanyora peanuts ko banga nayo kulichi nyinge promoter yanyora agantu get out of you kegara ne talent yawo kanyora engere yae and I praying that is the way to go egerenga buchimutwaiga anyengo korokotera kona go distribute na manyanga tali promoter go chakoli chinyinge kombo kegara promoter chiwe seji kulichi nyinge nebigeli bya nayo koraki but in the country bonaiga igonda tebenga it's God for us all but man to himself yani ngakero monte etegemea lakini nyasaye no yoito twins if the changes you want to go made I think you want to go made on policy egere ngende tanga nebana se kwende kero monta go distribute utwara back end access uchiese download chaye utwara back end access uchiese revenue chaye omanyanga chiweserenga otera kite kwana kwa roseti before a promoted deducted aga percentage gete kai I'm glad ngaki yuru mtu asugete percentage mpaka 52% yomo so motel na say content aggregators and now we need to move even further paka around 80-90% almost anya went to earn from their content then this 10% emanya ko bagerwa abantu the aggregators ninya ko bitukia mama.
Now as a lecturer okay ukuriye bono buno mwarimu urarusia gotera ime yago ne ibintu byonse obwate ninki yogote yomo omusaya omuke uso mwana ogendrete gukina bono ukoro kurigire nonya abana bali ogosomi neki singo konyara mbabwate biegwa bibisire neki bono biranyare kwesoke bioroki bikonye abantu bana naira bimokonye
tumedena ginda keweke I'll still forge for education because linga mona ligote banga abantu bane basirire okoba
yugo tamanya
koba yugo tamanya so ngende gitanga kale semi umonye kero go semi ko monyire na dino ne kero de go kalanza konge ko liko gotera no konyora no bwate chisemi sawa lakini sasa kwa wanga wana gote kitego tera tura gain semi chiga then kidogo na konyora no bwasire number 2 ebeka sabantu baranyare ko kona chaburunge mba batanyare ko busire ubo bamba tabona guys for the generation that was into music ba so one mentality ya ntera bonega na kuhit na kumanyikana immediately TikTok jacha yakabaki bintu kwa rais. What is going to finish abasaha bange is things to do with is things to do with pressure yuko taka make it in life wango no pressure yuko taka make it in life wango in which way watere TikTok yagero gotera komanyika ne bongo sana notake total regard chinse chichi notake to wale nyumba chinse chichi notake naye omwe kobeke yangiye chinse chichi lakini kotaro kotalisi ngikwarete nabantu bakumanyire bakogokere bakore challenges ka terekera toramanya gwe ko package umanye na kikoko nyakoleta chibese kwanyora basaha bange kero ya tokire ngabotero kungo taranyora besansi ichu taranyora galinsi ichu tarakora ki ngenda ko solve abange basoma yo gutindi number 2 kwanyora ngabono pressure abande bakorire ngaita tokotera komanyire na kiyo twara gintu gete kwanyora umuntu chakire gwe isole tu chakire kuyanga yani uchakire koranga gintu kibono ngiko make sense finally umuntu twara depression kwanyora akake ida usenenya so seninki umuntu basuki. We've had so many cases of the same. In Tondapia Bantu, number 1, it's a process. Now after 2013, I went into incubation period. In miaka zaidi ya 5 komanyanga kiboneka gukora this music. And even when I came back, tinga na ndengeko immediately.
It takes time.
Na verita su muziki. Onchite ko gorega ali su muziki after miaka ibere.
Okay.
Yani gari naga komboire gari. Batinje ko gore gari in 2020.
Pressure tego tichiti ko chana.
Pressure tenja because again ko ina somere na manyire ngikere. I've seen very many big artists ba Kenya. Aba nene tu amanyeta matera arenga makongo. Ba go chande kabone ga bande bamanyeta slums in Nairobi Okoba. Ilieta goli arenge igura lakini umuko kendengera.
Bono ntobwata abanyore finances ngenge abasae babwate biegwa monto chiro minyo kiroro sirio bo pesa bwa hotel ro tengire na bwate financial management asia basaya
Ugentona tebe namba yamo umuntu nabonde gutwara financial discipline nene sana nene tari kwanyore na liyo kwenyoranga wano nimbwende kurangalia abatoto nimbwende you know it's good to groom yourself over here but again twara financial discipline in that and then kama ni muziki yoga tori permanent muziki yoga na gote everyday na tokorara tokuboka abana mbali bakwigurwa obwate biyagwe bingana kugwibito and what happens is you to kunyara ku manage finances chiro konyora nkebye at the end of the day igo cha kutigara kwa wate abangu muziki yoto konye dikende I read a lot of things kuruase abateli bakabeiroro kwanyora mu muteli na bali ko munena matera ya manyikaine lakini in terms of finances and financial management yaba ko and partly that's why na got having as zingine konyweke binyuwane na koma sende because ngo chande na ligereria some of them basire to koba yebinyugo kwanyora ngo mundekera asirire na liyo bona atakere na ndange go changirwo agachirwe akore nini you know meaning that you could invest the little alkonyora kurwa so muziki yoga and normally ona kerto kumera na gote igo yobo mu bwa basani gote motero gosemani kokonyara beka kagutua segete kokonyara beka
gachaga kagake
beka deposit ko bro segete so that kero muziki yogo cha kwikabwange na gukora na mugondo na gote nchino muri ngwemisi na gukora na mugondo ndira goko uri misi misi yenkolema mu muziki wa makanere kamwe makanere pe goko gore bibiri misi na usibika so with time kwanyoranga tuliko cha kongea waiting angibona lokoro muziki yotonkonye tikende
tugukora ndakibono ugutumia social media yago kosinki ora omonto ori artist usomusani onde bonsi anyare kutumia social media via singi yabere koleta mangana mangi amasikani asirire
social media is the closest you can come na batitereri bao yani einero bali batana ukarona bona abantu bandigereti ani maite ngambale bandigereti ku Facebook later on we'll share the link maybe go to YouTube mbale bara so social media nero nere nchira yoka no yimete kale kalento akatebere nga kutuma salamu ndio nusu ya kuonana ono social media nero ndatebenge nusu yoko na sechinga kichira Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram yani chi platform yani actually actually Twitter njaruo ne nusu yoko na the way you portray as a social media nera abantu nabantu bakubuguri wekereo no wateri skani kusayino umuntu bokoleka abiramo no wateri skani kusayino umuntu bokorera nabantu injira geteta gwenereti so people will judge you a character yao wetere njira kwebeka njira kwe portray as a social media and for me I'll urge our tell baminto na abana baoki na boneka content creators once to make a social media century ndonge yoko enrich and it's even way better one that we can monetize our content we can monetize our content abantu gore Facebook anytime ukubeke clip waliso kumanya process choko monetize it's easier konyora kabesa kuruo nakiora kanyo lebesa onyo already kwachakire go detach kurose fans ba because this fans no bara real content yao no bara nyara comment positive less content yao inyara kutoka ngwa correct kwa nyara kutoka kwa nyore kende kuruo
yes tugukorera kwanera umuiguri ubwato mwana ubwatekewa
na I think nate mo kwana litangani andikangkerore umuiguri ubwato mwana ubwatekewa kindly tema ko semi umwano anyara ko manage onye no umwano utara kore school anyara ko manyana kera anyara ko balance katikati yesomo nekego tutigeke yawe kigesire because mnanja can tell you onye mwako mingata supported probably amutindia sende and corona quality university inachita ko nyorega si umwako yo 2024 that is 10 years down the line corona quality undergraduate kiabereke go sustain all these years neke wekega onye toka ngamwe guri tage supported na ndanya ale ko konso onse nyamanye na kingo balance gatie kego ne somo angotindia sende so mwiguri yaso andosia sorry usaye guardian andosia sorry ensure na ko rumana na boteke wogete ambeyemo mosemi anyale kumanyana kya go balance to basa kumukanie kego lakini mosemi anyale kumanyana kya go balance gatie chisemi nekego na mbaibere onye gukonyara onyare ko mubeka se aranyare ko semigwa na gukinigwa ne eseke weke kiae a good placement kotebenga amo link onyene worked amo link na actors onyene gotera amo link na best studio so that at the end of the day umwana wenko nyarare onyene ngakie holiday kona chareke ewo kiae ngakie school yabanga neso moyoka. I think that would do a great nabego okora linteke neso bumo mwana
Dingana elimo eligo kiponde wenzi going
dingana elimo eligo kiponde wenzi going
obwatekewa
iskaiga enda batugere ngana lianya sai. I know it's hard awanta wange ko kwere but in the book of Joshua the book of Joshua 1 digamba somere Joshua 1 amba somere yere Joshua 1 aseto wote bunga to basa kowa do not fear but be of good courage. Let me just read that. Never into kiamana, okay? Wala utu wale buku yeke busi, ambo tuwa ira andi abwe.
Soma yeke songo.
Tiga soma yeke songo, just asini yini, mba somere just Joshua 1.
Tura inyora. Kero gendete ko inyora, tubwate abaiga. Bagotebanga mimi ni Ian agotebanga achese rogotero komo ukore ukwama kubamba tubwate Julius Kenya, Benjamin Nyaboro, Rose Michemo, Frederick Ogembo, Krochinse Mochiricha Facebook no bari mikigima HR Makori Brian na boigo tubwate Surambaya Rosafi, Camila Kenya, Onyonka Cyrus, Frederick Ogembo, Rogers Nyariki, Naftali Onyango Umbati Dismas, Mugaviri Sharon Mura, Ondara Niko, Lydia Nyaboke, Moronya Asha Esbon, Aubon Sina Obare ase bagendete ko banaintu wetera chinse mochiricha Facebook na bande mbaroro ni menyete botari ko nyara gukwana lakini bare naintu tiga tukubare na ngambia mono
na bakwanira bonse pina na ategere mbia mono so support mono na arabu ko kwa Asha Moronya oyi ngari ko mwatoranga Asha oyi is the recent PhD
hold
the youngest in the county owner.
The newest in town.
The youngest PhD holder. Dr. Asha Moronya Hesbon, PhD. So in the wumbi amona sana so koligere. So I was reading ekitabu ya Joshua na bande bonse people murigeti mbi amona sana seni support was mwenye tali no ya. I was reading ekitabu ya Joshua because one tiring anele monda tegere muntu ni wense wokina bona na musana ni wense wochaka. Ngo chakira Joshua 1 wochakira 5 mpaka kianda 1 yani 5 whatever. There shall not any man be able to stand before thee all the days of your life. As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. I will not fail you, nor forsake you.
Tago wotiga. Una tenenete na Musa. Na tenen na yewe koma.
Number 6, verse 6 yakatebanga, be strong and of good courage. For unto these people shall you divide for an inheritance the land which I swore unto their fathers to give them. 7, only be you strong and very courageous, that you may observe to do according to all the law which Moses my servant commanded you. Turn not from it to the right hand or to the left hand, that you may prosper wherever you go. Number 8, this book of the law shall not depart out of your mouth, but you shall meditate therein day and night, that you may observe to do according to all that is written therein. For then you shall make your way prosperous, then you shall have good success. And then finally, have I not commanded you to be strong and of good courage? Be not afraid, neither be you dismayed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go.
Amen.
So if you're gonna get that in that particular
was strong, courageous,
the moment you menyete inside, the moment we get the moment you okora korengana no guchika no wanja kwae ebintu beyond speed
we go flow.
In other words, you can take a tongue and seek ye first the kingdom of God. Allow for any other thing you want. will be added unto you.
Tubate wega Gilbert Nyamori out there like that hit msalimie hapo.
Nashukuru sana.
Tubate Boniface Kenya Kisemba Simon Navoigo Jack Marion Gideon Orina Master Distester Machana o Charles na wande avangi no bari me yo morobele nande eto koraneria mbe mona sana mancho murigiria sengencho kwagenderere koba omwegeno asengencho yeviro eseritko riarero rejuma no togo cha gotigira gabu na inde onye kwa watu kobore otese makubambe goseko ganeti ko kwana nere tuma riokoria wocha sena mbeyo e studio 0726447367 edio onyare konyora enamba yaye aroro mancho morigereria nande umbo asi chisekondi viri
So mbia mwana sana so wancha kurigereria na watengera Getembe TV na wigo wategerera aya twapona aliese nasaria ngosa bandu kwabera ando sese nakona ringa biko gusegeta kindly korere na renga sanya ariko gusenya manjire nyara gutuma makwani abene guchasa wewe wani gerete go mwaka no munina Cosmos Orangi na munina Esther alafu abana ba mito ikini rokerikia na senkuru abanyandu mwesi pia bantu banyabare ko nabakwanirie se mambia bomega and then timu yanena gote ingoti otelindo mupira abana mbara tugagetorere ngaka na baroba rura ali batire levels bakabachire basore Premier League Onyandu United mwesi pia semure nabakwanire nabasandi bana bonsi bikonde gega na re message yoyo minto nabate bi muntu naro yo munko ligeria up to njirago ko muziki yoyo ko tayarati tayarati no my brother you're watching tiganya sanya ariko send for what you're doing and I wish onyendri yale nge okogwa kwana
mwale wikanere
ango no twale nera lakini onye no okogwa ante ungango na ariko request yo tera kwaye request yo tera kwaye gukoro kwigioto I'll be very happy after because he's one guy that I look up to.
Via sana na kubugiaro ko kanovia sana na inde na boko te umoncho murigire na kiara konyora sinjo bare bagane te ukwana naye
as a social media chia nation CP yeta makubamba roba makubamba gere MCU BAMBA alafu roba ROBBAH. So we say on all social media platforms, Chonsi P, X, Twitter, X, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, like everywhere. Pake email nere makubamba@gmail.com. We will talk. Torana kitoko konyana. Niko wote biashara to basa kondi na. Ngoko rande chi activation, ideas and very many other things. Finally nganjere ntumeke opportunity yembwate ntangaza litangazo le biashara.
Yeah.
Ora gani this brand of
avu ne nara igoteba Hi Getembe TV. My name is Enoch Ndemo Matara of Team T Room.
Oh, yes.
Makubamba is an epitome of hard work, determination, success and inspiration to the youth. Long live Getembe, long live Makubamba. Ama sisi ni pengo.
Mostly toko mera na T-Room.
T-Room Nairobi.
No T-Room Kisi.
Oh.
Mostly abuna ndatebenga na abasacha bengejo. Led by Ebo Senator Orioki na banda bange Dr. Ndebani Ndemo no ariga abwe abanta bange you know Ndemo na banga bange no tori mabwe team ya Getembe na chirendo mama kwani yawe ndora umira na itinke mwako chakiri toko chako mwaka nyare gusegeta na igere to nyare gukina kebwa bia monasa
twari gutwara chingagi again ndari turagendere na ndego sanga no mwancho morigereria wikira agabo timanyeti use gwatigere na kende
no tisoko ndra ukona chingagi chere I think
eri etora inyori
oyo Makubamba roba
kwa vile nenche Matilda Ovaigwa nere Makubamba imeyesho ya itwani ya Getembe litukiriga ria ijuma kereri ijume ntangani kegima yo mwako yo igabwe chiribubere 25 goika litukoria Jumatata se omorobere oyo iga na wakirembia mono nande nagotebiri ogendere gutigara ime yemerobere nde ibune kobwatia ase litukoria rero mbia mono kegima na inde Nyasaye avenaye.